In this comprehensive tutorial, we will delve into the multifaceted capabilities of Canva's text-to-video AI. By dissecting the process into 5 distinct parts, you will gain a holistic understanding of how the Canva AI video generator operates. Ensure that you follow each part diligently to unlock the full potential of this innovative tool and embark on your journey of AI-powered visual storytelling. Part 1. Canva Text to Video AI. To access the Canva Text to Video AI feature, follow these steps. Go to the Apps page and click the Try Magic Media button. Click the Use a New Design button and select the Video option. After the Canva Editor page opens, click the Video tab under the Magic Media panel. You can either use a sample prompt or describe the video you want to create using natural language in the prompt box. Click the Generate Video button to start generating your AI video. If you like the result, click the video to send it to the Canva Editor page and then click the Play button to review your AI-generated video. Part 2. AI Video Style. To achieve better results, specify a video style using the prompt format Subject Plus in the style of Plus Video Style. For example, you can use the Professional Cinematography style. Part 3. AI Camera Style. Adjust the AI video camera style at the start, middle, or end of your prompt for added visual appeal and audience engagement. For example, consider the drone camera style, the cinematic pan style, or the 360-degree view style. Part 4. AI Lens Style. Customize your lens style by adding the lens type at the beginning or end of your prompt to create captivating visuals. For example, you can use the macro lens style to capture intricate details with stunning clarity. Additionally, consider experimenting with the wide-angle lens style for expansive and immersive shots. Part 5. Magic Morph. Enhance your video content with engaging text. Start by accessing the text menu and selecting the Add Heading feature. Here, you can input your text and adjust its size and font to align with your creative vision. Once you've refined your text, head to the Apps menu to search for the Morph function. Utilize the Magic Morph app to define your desired text style in the prompt box, generating a fresh and captivating look. After selecting the most suitable result, consider infusing dynamic animation into your text by exploring the Animate menu and choosing from a diverse array of captivating animation styles. This thoughtful approach ensures that your video content stands out with visually appealing and engaging text elements, captivating your audience and elevating the overall viewing experience. Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing for exciting future videos.